Welcome to River and Vine Mindful Living. If you've been staring at a full sink or avoiding the kitchen, I want you to know you're not behind. You're just in this moment, and that's where we'll start. Take a breath in and exhale slowly. Let's begin one small step at a time. Let's start by cleaning the dishwasher or drying rack if you have one. Open the dishwasher or walk to your drying area. Choose the easiest item to put away first, maybe a spoon or cup. Take that one item and return it to its home. Now, choose a second item. And put it away in the cabinet or drawer. Next, we're going to try grouping items. Put away all the plates at once. Next, we're going to put away the bowls. You're not in a rush, you're just creating space. Once the plates and the bowls are put away, we're going to move on to any cups. If you're not fully done putting away the plates and bowls, that's all right. It might feel good to move on, or if you'd prefer, you can pause this while you finish. Whatever feels right. If a cabinet door squeaks or a drawer sticks, just notice it. It's all part of the rhythm of resetting. Keep putting away the plates, bowls, and cups. And next, we'll move on to the silverware. You can start with whatever feels more natural, whether it be the knives or the spoons. Try grouping the whisks and tablespoons and the cups if they all fit in the same drawer together. We're all getting in the rhythm of resetting. Keep going until it's fully emptied, or stop when you feel a shift. This isn't about doing it all, it's about doing some of it. Continue unloading anything left, whether it be a large mixing bowl or any odds and ends still inside either the drying rack or the dishwasher. Now we're going to scan your space for extra dishes. Look around your kitchen table or even into the next room. Find any dishes that are dirty and should come into the sink or dishwasher area. Is there a coffee mug on the counter? A bowl in the living room? Gently take time to collect what you see. If you need to discard any food in the bowls or plates, take the time to place that in the trash. Bring each item back into the kitchen, just like a quiet gathering of scattered pieces. You don't have to hunt for every dish. Just gather what's visible. Now let's turn to the sink or dishwasher. If you're using a dishwasher, begin loading one item at a time. Turn on the sink if they need to be rinsed. If it's easier to start by grouping just the plates or bowls, do so. Or if it feels better to start with larger objects in the sink, place those in first. Then load the silverware. If you're hand washing, stack dishes by the type: cups, plates, utensils. Choose to rinse one thing. Wash one thing. And place it in the rack or on a towel. Let your hands move and let your thoughts rest. This is enough for now. Continue placing your cups, plates, and utensils, any bowls, inside your dishwasher, or feel as you wash them in the sink, the warm water running over your hands. Now that the dishes are in motion, we'll do a tiny visual reset. Find a small area, the corner of the counter, the top of the stove, or the front of the sink. And we are going to spray or wipe that one surface, not the whole kitchen, just this one small square of space. Take the time to get a towel or washcloth, any sprays that might be needed. And wipe down that one area. This is your done zone. Let it be clean, even if nothing else is. It marks your progress, and it gives you a visual cue. You did something. And look around. Whatever's done is enough. If the sink isn't empty, even if it feels like you only made a dent, you started, you showed up, and you moved forward. If it feels good to keep going and picking a next area to clean, follow that motion forward. Take one more deep breath. If you feel completed with this task, feel free to wash your hands and take your time feeling the warm water run over your fingers, watching as the soap pools into the sink, and take a 10-minute break. If there's something else you need to do after, you don't need to think about that now. And thank you for spending this moment with me at River and Vine Mindful Living.